20 life lessons you only need to learn once, but they will improve your life forever. These lessons come from real experience, not from theory. They will challenge the way you think, change the way you act, and reshape the way you live. Learn them now, apply them once, and your life will never be the same again. 1. Time is your most valuable asset. Time is the only currency you can't earn back. Spend it on people, goals, and habits that actually matter, because every wasted hour is gone forever. 2. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. The life you want is built on days when you don't feel like doing the work, but you do it anyway. 3. Your environment shapes your future. The people around you influence your mindset, your decisions, and your standards. Choose environments that push you forward, not hold you back. 4. Small daily habits matter more than big goals. Goals give direction, but habits build the results. What you do every day eventually becomes who you are. 5. Nobody is thinking about you as much as you think. Stop living for approval. Most people are too focused on their own problems to judge your life. Be free from unnecessary pressure. 6. Failure is information, not identity. Failure doesn't define you, it teaches you. Use it as feedback, not a label. Every mistake brings you closer to mastery. 7. Focus on what you can control. You waste energy trying to change the uncontrollable. Peace comes when you shift your focus to your actions, not outcomes. 8. You become what you repeatedly do. Your habits shape your character. Excellence is not an act, it's a pattern repeated daily. 9. Not everyone deserves access to you. Your time and energy are limited. Protect them. Set boundaries. Not everyone earns a place in your life. 10. Rest is productive. Resting is not quitting. Your body and mind need recovery. Recharge so you can move with clarity and strength. 11. Money is a tool, not a purpose. Money brings freedom, not meaning. Use it wisely, but don't let it become your identity. 12. Gratitude changes everything. You can have more and still feel empty if you lack gratitude. Appreciating what you already have creates a peaceful and grounded life. 13. Your health is your real wealth. No success matters if you lose your health. Prioritize sleep, movement, and nutrition, they support everything else. 14. Letting go is also a form of strength. Not everything is meant to stay in your life. Growth requires releasing what no longer aligns with your direction. 15. What you avoid controls you. Fear grows when you run from it. Face what scares you, and you'll take back power over your life. 16. Consistency is more important than intensity. Doing a little every day will always beat doing a lot once in a while. Progress belongs to the persistent. 17. Your mindset creates your reality. Two people face the same situation but see it differently. Train your mind to look for solutions, not excuses. 18. Protect your peace like your life depends on it. Peace is rare and valuable. Say no more often, limit negativity, and stay away from chaos. 19. Learn to enjoy your own company. Peace with yourself is a superpower. When you enjoy solitude, you become more confident, stable, and independent. 20. Life rewards action, not intention. Good plans mean nothing without execution. Take the first step. Even small action creates momentum. Conclusion. Learn these lessons once, and they will improve your life forever. Apply them now, and watch your mindset, your habits, and your future transform. Life doesn't change by chance, it changes by choice.